$3 of free play, 2-cent denom, $1.50 bets. Again, guys, this is what we're going for. Let's hope we can hit something on some free play and walk out with money we didn't have. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even have the volume up on this. Let's go. Come on. Is it volume or winnability here, guys? Put it down in the comments. What do you call it? Come on. Let's go. Pop. Let's get the bonus. I want to see that again. It's been a while since I've seen a bonus. I'm sorry here, guys. I do not know how much of that I missed. iPhone storage ran full, so we're starting again here. $30 in free play still. Let's see what else we can get. It did not give us anything good. It almost gave us a bonus opportunity, but as you saw, we did not hit it. Let's see if we can't hit anything. Come on, 3 more. Drop them. Nope. Come on. All right, big money. Let's get a bonus. Let's get a bonus on this free play. Drop some wilds or something. Just telling me I already won so much. I don't need more money. Oh man, I thought I was gonna do something. It just grew the coins up top. Come on. 3 more. Damn. We're about out of spins here, guys. Can we hit something and get anything back? No, come on. Do something. 2 more. Drop them. Will you drop them? Drop them for me. No. Okay, a penny denom. Last spin here, guys. Yes. That's it. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. 47 cents. I'm going to leave that in the machine for somebody. They don't give back change anyway, so like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next adventure. All right, guys. I put $151 in cash and $37 in free play on this. We're going to do nickel denom. I believe that's $3.75 a bet. This is the biggest major on the bank of 4 machines here, guys. We got Josh sitting down next to me here, playing the machine next to us, and we're gonna see what we can get at $3.75 a bet. And wish us luck. If we hit anything, remember, over that $5,000 jackpot, then we're doing that bonus group poll for all channel and Patreon members. 3 more. Come on. Yeah, this has a couple of little haywire games it'll do, like it'll spit out wilds and stuff. It's pretty fun. The train will pop up right here. Oh, that's wilds. I thought it was a train. Nice. Banks are money. Come on. Not bad. It's that $24 win. We will take it. 3 more. Come on. I really like this game, and it can drop coins at any time too. So this game, I would say, is pretty volatile. 2 more. Come on, drop them. But it is super fun to play. Railroad Riches Tycoons. We're here in Wendover, Nevada. Come on. Playing at the Nugget. I don't know if I said that in the beginning, and if I did, then I'm repeating myself. I'm excited. Leave me alone. Man, let's see a bonus. Oh, We need 3 of those bonuses. More 3, 2, drop 2, drop 2. Come on. Money. There we go. That was a $25 win. Now we just need to add a couple more zeros onto that. All right, Railroad Riches. Bonus. Oh man, I wish that was a bonus. Oh, nice. Is this train? The train. Here we go. Is it the bonus or a big line hit? Coins? What are we getting? Coins. Dropping coins. See, it does a little coin explosion there. Drop a couple of coins for us. Hopefully it's something huge with a word. Something with a word. Oh wait, I think we can only get the words once we activate the gold one. And I forgot I gotta scoot this son of a thing back here, guys. Little over $20 coin already. Let's get some purple trains. I like the red ones. I like them all. You know what? Just give me any of them. Railroad Riches. Let's go. If you get all the way up to the top, it'll give you the gold coin or the gold train to unlock or to hit the bonus and stuff. Josh has watched me play. He hasn't seen me play this one yet. Come on, Railroad Riches. Let's get something. Railroad crossing, come on. Where's the crossing? Oh man, we need to get up 2 levels. We got 2 railroads waiting for us. Oh, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Let's go. Railroad crossing. Oh man, there's a $25 coin up there. Oh my gosh, come on, save it, save it, save it, save it. Oh yes. Come on, we need a railroad crossing. We need a railroad crossing. Drop one for me. Let's go. Oh no, come on. Don't do this, don't do this. Railroad crossing. Ah, dang it. Man. That one right there is a $25 coin. Nickel denom. So, $22.50. Let's get another bonus here. Heck yeah. I freaking love this game. Oh, $27.50. I did my math wrong. Oh, train again. Almost back to back. Come on, is it bonus? What is it this time? Coins or bonus? Coins. Dropping 2 more coins here, guys. That just goes to show you these do not mean nothing. It can be empty and go off 2 spins later, or it can be full. Almost back to back, baby. Let's go. I gotta readjust this again. Let's freaking go. Come on, can we get the gold train on this one? Can we get the gold train on this one? Oh, we're starting off with a $20 coin. Let's go. Okay, I needed that on the last game. Okay, we opened up 1 more row. Let's go, let's go. Let's give us more possibilities. We want the railroad riches. That's what we want. Come on, come on. Don't do this. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Is it gonna be a red or purple? Purple, purple. Nice, another crossing. If we get another crossing, we will unlock that one on the top there, here, guys. Ooh, come on, crossing. Hey, it saved me, it saved me. I'm down. Keep throwing them out. Ooh, you almost gave me that crossing. You almost gave it to me. Let's go. Nice save, nice save. purple. Purple or red? Purple or red? Red, nice, dude. Oh my God. Yes. What's that, $34 coin? Love this freaking game, dude. Huh. Come on, crossing. Oh my God, don't do it to me. Come on, crossing. Ooh, it saved me. Ooh, thank you. Railroad crossing. Come on, throw it out. Oh, don't you play with my emotions like this. Come on, save it. No. Come on, you gonna save me? You gonna give me 3 more? Save me. Ah, dang it. Yeah, every once in a while, they'll just give you random free extra spins. Man, I wish that was dimes, but 60, almost 70 bucks. 67.40, I believe. 62.40. $68.50. Still doing my math wrong. Oh, nice. Okay, we're gonna cash out at either $225 or $300. Here we go. Oh my God. Wild drop, come on. Banks. Money, do the money. Oh, I'm missing the 1 row. Oh, I needed those monies on the last one. Bonus. Ooh, I want to see that bonus again. That's 225. Bonus. Oh my God, can we get it? Oh, I thought I was gonna do it. Hey, you know what? I'm actually gonna take that money here and run, guys. I'm really loving this game. We did not hit the jackpots or anything, but turned 150 cash, 30 free play into 225. Become a channel member for less than a cup of coffee a month. We hope to see you guys on the next group poll. Good luck. See you on the next one.